Hey Shane, a couple of files to copy over. You need to copy over your machine and material database files, and then also the scripts file that has post processor and different machine settings and things. So to see, first of all, where your machine and material database files are stored, usually they're in a location, but just want to verify that. So you want to make sure you turn on your scroll lock key on your keyboard, which I've turned mine on with my soft keyboard here. And if you go up to database, then you can click on global settings. And on this window here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see machine database file, material database file. So you just want to navigate to that location and copy both of those files over to the corresponding location on your new computer. So if you click on choose file, just open up Explorer and then you can navigate to that. So it's usually C and ProgramData WARDJet WARDCAM, and then under data is your machine and material database files. And then the other thing to verify its location and copy over would be the scripts folder that you're working off of. So if you go database and machine database, you'll see here that you'll have probably C ProgramData WARDJet WARDCAM scripts, and basically just want to copy over that whole folder to the corresponding location on the new computer. So again, C ProgramData WARDJet WARDCAM, and then we have this scripts folder here, so that entire folder can be copied over. So you just want to verify that those are the same locations on your old computer. Sometimes people will put those in different locations, maybe on network drive or whatever, but that's the basic idea of the files that need to be copied over. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.